Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can get a balance certificate through Simplii Financial. In order to do so, we're going to check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers that you're looking for. According to Cider, to get a balance certificate from Simplii Financial, you may need to contact Simplii customer service. Reach out to Simplii Financial's customer support either via phone or secure message through your online banking account. Their phone number is often found on their website or your account documentation. Request a balance certificate. Clearly state that you need a balance certificate for your account. Specify the type of account and the date or period for which you need the balance shown. They will verify your identity to ensure security before processing your request, and Simplii may provide the certificate via email, postal mail, or through secure online banking messaging. And you can contact Simplii by calling 1-866-484-8259. That's 1-866-484-8259. In addition to that, I want to tell you about the Simplii Financial Refer a Friend program. If you sign up with Simplii, you sign up, you get a new account. If you refer your friends, you can get $125 and your friends can get $50 for setting up a new account. Let me show you how it works. Once you have your account set up, you have to have an eligible Simplii Financial account. Then you need to activate your unique Refer a Friend link. Let your friends know about the perks of joining Simplii because they can get rewarded too, and then start earning money. You can earn $125 when your friend opens a no-fee checking account, high-interest savings account, cashback Visa card, or personal line of credit. If you're interested, then all you have to do is once you have your account open, then just come to the Refer a Friend page, and then you're going to need to come here to the bottom where it says accept terms and conditions. Click on that and you will get your referral link. You can start handing that around to your friends and family and you'll get paid. You get $125 in your account. Your friends and family will get $50. And I can guarantee you from experience that it works. And there's nothing better than getting that $125 in your account. It's a wonderful little gift, and it's Simplii's way of saying thank you for being a loyal customer. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Simplii Financial, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree, and there you will find our Simplii referral link. Click on that link. We get 125, you get 50. Start your account and then you can get 125 and your friends and family can get 50. It's a pretty sweet deal and it comes highly recommended. That's all there is to it. We'll see you in the next one.